Hi, welcome to BlueFX.net, and thank you for buying this last lower thirds package. Now let's see if we can use the lower thirds in Motion 5. First of all, let's open the delivery package. As you can see, there's three main folders: Business, Sports, and Minimal. Let's take a look at the Business lower thirds. We have 20 different folders, and each one of them contains a different lower thirds design. I'll open the Business 1 folder. Inside, we'll find another 3 folders. Each one of these corresponds to a different color setting. I'll use the Business Color 1. Each lower thirds has 3 main parts: the intro, the loop, and the out. All of these are QuickTime files with a transparent alpha channel. To use these files, we'll need to import them into Motion 5. So let's open up Motion, and we'll choose Create Project from File, and Import as Project. And now we're going to import the main footage. Now right-click and import the 3 logo files. So now we have the files in the timeline, and we need to arrange them. The first layer is the intro for the lower third. We'll leave it as is. The second is the loop layer. We need to position this one. To do that, hold down the Shift key and move up the time indicator. This will make the indicator snap to the end of the first layer. Next, move the loop layer while holding down the Shift key until it snaps into position. If you want to make the animation longer, right-click on the loop layer, select Duplicate, and position it accordingly. We need to position the ending animation in the same manner. When you're satisfied with the length, you can select all lower third layers and choose Group. You can easily change the position of the layer and the size. To increase or decrease the size while keeping the aspect ratio intact, hold down Shift while dragging the corners. Make sure the Transform tool is selected. To add the text, select Object, New Group, and place the layer on top. Click on the text icon and type in your text. We can add type on an effect by selecting the text layer and going to Text Layout in the Inspector menu. Next, move the end cursor to 0 and click on the icon to add a keyframe. Move the time indicator a few frames and bring the cursor back to 100. We can also fade the text in by going to Properties, Opacity. Set the opacity to 0, click on the keyframe icon, move the time indicator a few frames, and bring back the opacity to 100. Then do the same for the ending. Another quick way to do this is by going to Library, Behaviors, Basic Motion, and select the Fade In, Fade Out, and drag it to the layer. This will automatically fade in or fade out the layer. You can extend the duration of the layer by dragging the ends. Now let's add the logo. We can fade in and fade out the logo exactly as we did with the text by using the Fade In and Fade Out preset. To render, just select Share, Export Movie. These settings are okay. Hit Next and save. So this is how you use the lower thirds footage in Motion 5. If you have any questions about this package, please don't hesitate to contact our support team at BlueFX.net. Have a nice day!